Good morning. It's Merritt with Apteros Trading, looking at the S&P futures here. We'll start by recapping Friday. Yes, it says rollover. That's because Friday we were still, as of the open, still trading the older contract. So let's focus on it first, and then we'll roll to December and talk about today. So early on, we were holding above this little bearish reference, took a little poke and then broke straight through, brought in a good bit of selling, took us downward all the way through this bullish inflection here. Tiny little attempt, 2 bars, and then it broke. Nice little, this is the trade right here, guys. This is the trade. Beautiful pullback, little complex leg to it right there. And that takes us right down into this major area that we've been talking about, that we thought may have gotten front run and, not touched, but we got there. As you can see, capitulatory type volume when we start hitting that. Holds. Then we get the bounce. For me, I was bullish from that point. I thought, okay, we finally came down, tagged this bullish area. The buyers are now in control. It's off to the races. It's, likely all-time highs from here. And that was wrong. The market had a nice little Friday surprise for us. So we get up here to VWAP. Can't get through VWAP. Order flow is just kind of stagnating at this point. We start drifting back. Okay, another spot to potentially buy right here. I liked this long. I liked it a lot. There's not a lot of selling pressure here. This is a retest of the this bull zone that we've held and lifted off from, and just a feeble attempt at the buyers to hold this, and then absolutely, as you know, slammed into the close. So that was fun. I didn't profit from that, but it was a fun day. It was interesting to see that type of energy and power come into the market, into the close. Always a good time. So anyways, that was what happened relative to our prep. Best trades were this short here early and getting long anywhere in here for some partial profits here. And then I also liked this long here, which was a stop out. Let's go talk about today. All right, here we are at the hard right edge. 15 minutes until, I always do that wrong, 25 minutes until the open. Obviously some stacked bear references here, with what I think the most important one is kind of being this solid, wider zone here up into 86, 87. So pretty much I give myself permission to short anywhere in this area once we see something. Right now, we're really not. Right now, the buyers are in control. Contextual order flow. This up leg looks healthy. Our intraday filter, everything is kind of in favor of the bulls here, but it's coming into a spot that's a big test. It is in a spot that's a big test. So what I'm going to look for is a little more patient of an opportunity where I see the sellers really showing up, and then I look to fade weakness and go with the new strength. That's my plan. So I want to see some type of down leg, whether it's from anywhere in this zone or whether it's, I may consider an aggressive opportunity from the actual edge here, but there would have to be some type of major divergence in order flow, something like that. Advanced return pullback, as we call it. So, for the most part, I'm looking for some downward movement and then a retest to get short. Now, if we get through 85, 86, I'm bullish. And we have a neutral level here, and then what I think is the more important level all the way up here. This one's good too. We get to add one more level here. So it kind of stacked here and stacked there. So 13 and 25 would be targets for the upside if we get and hold above 86. All right, good luck, guys.